Hi everyone, welcome back. This is day 6 of my movie ticket booking website project. Today I am really excited to show you the movie list page that I have built. Now I am going to show you a quick demo. Let's get started. This is my movie list page. Left side you can see genres and language filter. After clicking genres, it opens genres list. After choosing any genre, it shows only same movies that is matched with genres. This is language section where I have 4 languages. If I choose one language, it again shows same movies that match with language. At the right side, I have price sorting where I have relevance, low to high and high to low sort. If I choose price filter, it will sort my data. And last you can see movie card where I have movie poster, movie title, few details about movie, book now button and price. That's all over my demo. Now let's see code. Before starting I have changed few things in my code. I have create context API and import every state in context API. Export const app context create context. It is used to create context in a React application. I define app provider a component that wrap the app.js and provide the shared data. Initialize movie state that all initialize movie state that hold all movies detail. Movie for hero that is hold data for hero section. Selected movie trailer state stored one movie trailer for showing trailer section. Movie order it stored three trending movies trailer for showing movie trailer. Genres it stores genres arrays for sorting. Const value it is object of shared data. I return the app context.provider and pass the value anything inside this provider can access the context API data. That's all overall context API. Now let's see movie page code. Here I import context API and get movie and genres data. Filter movies for storing filtered movies and display in cart section. Genres filter it stores genres for sorting genres. Language filter it is also store language for sorting language. Price filter is store price filter for sorting price. Its genre it is used to when to open genre section and when to not. Each language it is also when to open language section or not. Now let's talk about handle genres. Handle genres it is arrow function that takes genre as a prop. Const is available. It is used to check genres is already available genres filter or not. If it is available, then it will remove genres from genres filter, and if it will not available, then it will add in genres filter. And this is language filter. This is same like this. Now let's talk about main filter logic. This is use effect, and in this use effect I have filtered with all movies. In this code, if genres filter is greater than 0, it will filter genres. Dot filter. It is start looping for each movies dot genre sum. It is check at least match one genre and it will return true. Otherwise not. Dot include. It check genres is available or not in genres filter. Language filter dot line. It is also same like this. Now let's talk about price filter. Price filter is high to low. It will sort high to low format, and if price filter is low to high, then it will sort low to high format, and if nothing will match, then it will sort in id format. Now we will update filter data to filtered movies. Now let's talk about return. In this return I have div, and in this div I have h2 for showing heading. Then I have content section, and here I will write every code. And in this aside section I have genres filtered div, and in this div I have h3 for showing genres title. And if I click its genres, and it will true its genres, and if I click again, it will false is genre. If genre is true, then it will start looping for every genre. And in this map I have li where I list genre's name. If genre's dot name is available in genre dot filter, then it will return true, and then we will print filled circle, and it will return false, then we will return blank circle. And this is on click self arrow function, and it is used to, and it is called handle genres with genres dot name props. And language that is also same like this. Now let's talk about right side section, and in this right side section I have top side filter. It is used to filter price filter, and this is select. If I click or choose, then it will update price filter. Now let's talk about movie card. If filter movies dot line is equal to 0, then it will return movie no movies found, and if false, and it will return movie card. That is my overall present project, and I am still working on it. If you see any mistake that I am doing, so please inform me. And thank you watching my video.